I'm Councilmember Matt Westgaard from Elk River City Council. In this edition of Inside Elk River, I had a unique opportunity to suit up and go on patrol with our local law enforcement.
My name is Officer Dylan Sandberg. I'm with the Elk River Police Department. I've been here for 5 years, almost 6 years, and I'm a patrol officer here. I wanted to help the community. I wanted to make a difference. I wanted to, help everybody that I can. And the one way that really stood out to me and how I could truly do that would be become a police officer.
This ride-along provided a lot of insight into what law enforcement and local patrol officers experience each day.
Our department is, in my opinion, one of the greatest. We have great integrity. We work well with each other. We're kind of like a one big family. If somebody's got something going on personally, there's others to help and to talk to. We work like a well-oiled machine.
We did have one call for emergency services or for response that was a traffic incident that involved a motorcycle. Most memorable because of the distance we had to cover to get to the scene, and so time is of the essence. But then to arrive on scene and see the amount of emergency response people that were all there, the coordinated collaborative effort, everybody knew what had to happen, that there was automatically somebody assumes the role of taking, victims, taking witnesses, taking traffic control, taking, tending to any of the other people involved in the incident, and how quickly that can happen, how quickly traffic can stack up, but also looking at the number of people in our community that stop to offer help that aren't law enforcement people. These men and women go through an awful lot physically and mentally in every shift. They're doing a lot of great things. I had a great time. It was a great experience. As we've had on many editions of Inside Elk River, but this was just a whole new and different perspective than anything we've done before. I would do it again in a heartbeat just for the experience. It was enjoyable to ride along with the officers. These folks are giving back to their community in their profession. Take the opportunity to shake their hand and thank them for their service next time you see them.